Before that I will teach you how to pronounce it. So I have written how to pronounce it. U is pronounced as E with lips rounded as if trying to pronounce U. Okay, so just look at my lips. U. You see, my lips are rounded like U, as if I want to pronounce it U, but I will pronounce E. It is a bit complicated as for starting, but once you learn it, that will be okay. So you pronounce E, but with the lips like U. Okay. So just try to listen to me. U, U. Okay. U. It is not E, it is not U, but U. You see? U. I hope it is clear to you. U. Okay? So it is that's how you have to pronounce this sound. U. So just learn this sound, even if in the starting it seems complicated. Practice it as many times as you can, because you have to pronounce it. Because if you want to talk to a French person, you will find that if you pronounce it wrong, like you, he will not understand you very well. So try to learn it. So okay. So once you will catch it, then it will be okay. So there are some differences, not differences, but some other examples which are linked to this sound U. So I have taken them also. So the first example is tu. Tu means you. In French, you have two words like you formal, and you for friends or in family. Okay, like in Hindi you have the word tum. So tu. If you know Hindi, you have there are two words like tum and aap. So tu is like tum, and there is another word which is vous. Vous means aap. So you will learn later on when you learn French. So this sound is tu, as I told you, tu. Okay. Then there is a difference here. It is even more complicated than tu, but because there is an e later. So in this is a word which is word for 8. Okay, so you break this word in two words. So the first word is, I will just tell you later on, ash. Ash is always it remains always silent. You do not have to pronounce. You never pronounce it like her as in English. Okay, it is never her but as if it doesn't exist in word. Okay, so you. Then the second word is it. We. So u as I told you, it. So huit, huit, huit. Okay, huit, which means this word means huit, eight, eight, the number eight. Okay, huit.